Welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Koulic. I am from the OnceHub support team. And in this video, we'll learn how to change or assign roles to users in our OnceHub account. Managing user roles helps us to control access levels, assign responsibilities, and keep our workspace organized. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, we'll see how to assign a role when adding a new user. So I have signed into my OnceHub account, and now I'll click on the gear icon on the top right and select Users. Here, I'll click on Add User, add the email for the user, add their name, and here you can click on the role that you'd like to assign to this new user, and click on Next, and follow the on-screen instructions. That should be it. Now, let's see how we can change the role of an existing user. Okay, so again from the home page, we'll click on the gear icon on the top right, select Users, and let's say I want to change the role for user 2 to an administrator. I'll click on the user. Here it says role. Under profile overview, you can see it says role, and it says the role for this user is member. We'll click on the three dots next to the member, click on edit role, and we can change the role of this user. Okay, so an account owner can change the role for all users on the account, and an account administrator can change the role for all users except for the account owner. That's it. You have learned how to change the roles for users on the account. If you have any questions, do reach out to our support channels and we will be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more such OnceHub tutorials. Thank you for watching.